I have a GE washer, WR4805, can I set to spin only? Hi. I'm Smitty. I am a professional appliance repair consultant here to help you diagnose and repair your appliance. I am sorry, but this is not possible using the settings available on your unit. Is there a reason that you need to spin the clothes? E.g., clothes coming out still wet?
I have a couple of rugs that I washed and are now too heavy/off balance for the machine. I can think of other times, like hand washing things, where this would make sense. Nice machine otherwise, but all these pre-programmed cycles don't help real people. I thought maybe there was a trick given to licensed GE repair guys. Thanks.
I understand and empathize with you. My mom just bought a whirlpool unit and now she can't add a garment once the wash cycle starts. It is driving her nuts, she says. Although this is a safety feature, it is inconvenient for many people. There is a way to make the unit spin, but this is a diagnostic cycle and is not to be used to spin out wet laundry. It is intended to be used with an empty machine only. If there is laundry in the unit when you use this feature, it can damage the main control board and they are not cheap to replace. The best thing to do is when you wash rugs like this, add in some t-shirts or hand bath towels to help balance the load when it spins. It kind of fills in the gaps between the rugs and makes it easier to balance the load. If there is anything else I can do for you, just let me know. Please understand that you have only made a deposit. It is not a payment to me for answering your question. How to rate your expert: the Home Smithy 41719.97881693929.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.